Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for considering Greater Arizona for your tax credit donation. Your tax credit donation comes at absolutely no cost to you and will serve as scholarships for Muslim students studying at Islamic schools across the valley. My name is Yusuf Shah Masood. I'm the Director of Development for Greater Arizona. And in this short video, I want to explain what a tax credit donation is and guide you through the process of how you can make one. So the first thing to understand is that Greater Arizona is an STO, or a school tuition organization. This means that we're actually certified by the state of Arizona to collect your donations that are tax credit eligible and redirect them to a cause you care about, in this case supporting Muslim students with scholarships. Now, a tax credit donation is more than a tax deductible donation because not only does it reduce your overall tax liability, but it actually, you receive a dollar for dollar credit. You receive all of that money back in your state tax return. So to explain this a little further, let me give you two situations. Let's say you owe $5,000 to the state of Arizona in taxes. Well, in the first situation, your employer has withheld your taxes. So when you're about to file your taxes, you actually owe nothing to the state. If you make a $2,600 donation to Greater Arizona, you'll actually receive all of that money back in your state tax return. Now, let's say your employer has not withheld your taxes and you owe that $5,000. Well, now, instead of owing $5,000, if you make a $2,600 donation, you'll owe that amount less. And so you'll only owe $2,400 to the state of Arizona. So this is essentially a free donation where you're redirecting your tax dollars towards this donation. Let me show you how to make a donation. So you'll either be at the general Greater Arizona donate page where you can press the donate button here, or more likely maybe you're at a school specific page. This is the one for ACA. It applies to all of the other schools. Down here you'll have some more information about the maximum tax credit contribution that you can make, some more information about the process and how the program works, and some answers to frequently asked questions. When you come up here and you press the donate button, you'll be taken to this campaign specific page. Here you can press donate. Here you can decide how much you'd like to contribute, depending on your tax liability. The maximum that you can donate if you're married filing jointly is $2,609. If you're filing individually, it's $1,307. You can actually also, if your tax liability is lower, write in the amount that you'd like to contribute. Here you can also credit a masjid or organization or person that directed you to this page if you'd like to do so. When you continue, you'll be asked a few questions, whether you'd like to make it a charitable donation or a tax credit donation, what your filing status is, and if you have already made a donation to another STO in the prior year. Afterwards, you can express a public message of your support for the campaign if you'd like to do so. And lastly, you'll be taken to the donation page. Here, you have an optional tip that you can make to the platform that we use free of charge. Some people choose to do so, others don't. All you have to press is other. And here, this is really important. If you work for a company, your employer, your company might actually match the gift that you make. So if you make a $2,500 donation, they might actually double that and make it a $5,000 donation. Whether you know if they do or not, you can type in the company you work for. Let's say you work for Intel and include that information. Lastly, you select your payment type: Venmo, PayPal, credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, check, anything goes, and you make your donation. Once you make your donation, you'll be sent a receipt from us. And all you have to do at this point, if you have a CPA or an accountant, is to forward this receipt to them. And they can take care of the rest. If you file your own taxes through TurboTax or Free Tax USA or some other software, you'll be asked a question if you've made a contribution to an STO, and all you have to do is upload this receipt to that when you're asked that question. The other email you'll receive is about matching gifts. So if you put a company in, you'll actually get specific information about the company that you work for in the matching gift program. And if you did it, you'll be directed to where you can learn more information. But if you would like to, you can start the matching gift process and submit a request to your company to start that. This button will take you directly to their portal. And if you've already done so, you can let us know by clicking here as well. And again, this is really important because it allows your impact to go further. This money is used for a wonderful purpose and a wonderful cause. And so we really are looking forward to your support. This will allow our community to thrive, our future generation to be empowered, and to build up our Muslim institutions. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to call us at 602-800-9588. You can text us as well or email us at admin@greaterarizona.org. I'm happy to explain in more detail and guide you through the process as need be, and we're really looking forward to your support. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.